In this video, I'm going to show you how to set conditional visibility in Adalo. Conditional visibility allows you to display elements only when specific criteria are met. For example, I have a list of tasks and a text block that says, "No tasks today." If I want this text to appear only when no tasks are due, I can set a visibility condition. First, select the element you want to control, then click the three dots in the container options on the left-hand side and choose Change Visibility. From the Visibility drop-down menu, select Sometimes Visible. Next, define the condition based on which the element will appear. In my example, I hover over the tasks collection, select Count, set the condition to is equal to, and enter 0. This ensures the text only appears when there are no tasks. Click Done to finalize. Previewing the app shows that when tasks exist, the text is hidden. If I delete all tasks from the database, the text becomes visible, confirming the condition works. Conditional visibility can also be applied to other elements. For instance, if you have an add component that should only be accessible to admins, select the component, click Change Visibility, choose Sometimes Visible, and set the condition based on the logged-in user's admin property. You can add a Boolean column for admin in your user's database to manage this. By using this method, you can control visibility for any component in your app based on custom conditions, ensuring users only see what is relevant to them. And this is how you can set conditional visibility in Adalo.